Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Gets Dragged Out of Bar and the Crowd Cheers."
4th, 2022, officers responded to a call of a belligerent customer refusing to exit a bar.
And that thing look dead out there. What? Is it lit inside?
Come here. I'm here, ma'am. Ma'am, come here. Ma'am, come on. Come talk to me outside.
Okay.
Me outside, please. They don't want you in here. You need to leave.
No, I don't have to leave.
Ma'am, come on.
For what reason?
Because I'm telling you to step out, ma'am.
I don't have to leave. I'm a paying customer. I don't have to leave.
Did she pay her tab?
Yes.
Yeah, so you don't want her to leave. Don't want her to leave. So where's the manager? Who's the call? Okay, come on, I need to hurry up so we go. Ma'am, they don't want you in here. You're going to have to leave.
I'm a paying customer. I don't have to leave. I don't have to leave.
You refuse to leave?
I don't have to leave.
Okay, so if they...
I can take you to me down. I don't have to leave.
I don't have to do what?
I don't have to leave.
Okay, I got you. All right, so when they tell me that they want you to leave...
Jeff Slate's is not lawyer, so you want to call him?
Yes? Yes. Okay, you need to leave.
For what reason?
Because I'm telling you to. You need to step out.
No, what reason?
They don't want you here. They have a right to refuse service.
No,
I need you to leave.
reason? Because Jeff Slate's not a lawyer.
I need you to leave. Step
I don't
out.
have to leave for a reason. I need a reason.
I need you to step out right now.
No, what reason?
If you don't step out, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
I don't give a you put me in handcuffs. I don't fuck you do to me. Just listen, my uncle. I don't give a fuck you do to me.
Ma'am, you want to go this route?
I don't give a fuck you do to me. You put me in handcuffs, I don't turn me on.
Change money back.
Get my purse if you want. I don't give a
Turn around. Turn around.
Get my purse, mother.
Turn around.
If you want to handcuff me anymore, just listen. I'm your.
Come on.
Get my purse, mother.
Now go.
Get my purse.
I'll get it in a second. Come on.
No, I won't. Purse in- Thank you. Get my purse.
I've got it, ma'am. Come over here.
Go to the car.
Watch your step. Step down. Watch your step. Thank you.
My arm is metal, like motherfucker. Hey, I'm relaxed.
Okay. All right, come over here to the front of my car, please.
For you to be so.
Come to the front of my car, ma'am. Please, I'm gonna end up pulling you over to my car. Please come over here.
Where you take me?
All right.
What you
Come on.
do?
All right, stand right here, please.
I will bend the over here.
Stop. Stop. Okay.
I'm serious.
Okay, listen to me, okay? I'm going to conduct a pat down. I will be using the back of my hand since you are a female. Okay, I need you to turn around for me and face right here in front of my car.
Anyway.
Ma'am, please turn around. Thank you. Separate your hands. Stop. There you go. Stop. I don't need you bending over like that. Quit. Quit.
Oh, you don't
Stand
need me
up
to be
straight.
Look like she ready to get cracked.
Is there anything in your bra area I should be aware of, ma'am? Any knives, anything in your bra area that you
Your
should not have?
handcuffs are kind of tight.
I will fix those momentarily. Do you have anything in your bra area we should be aware of?
I can't remember actually. You might want to check. Go ahead and check.
I'm not going to check, ma'am,
Why not?
because I don't want to reach in there.
You said that you might have momentarily, so why not check?
Okay, you got small wrists, ma'am? They're comfortable like that?
They're not comfortable at all, actually.
Okay, you're actually moving them and rotating your arm
I
whole
know,
hand.
because it hurts. It fucking hurts.
No, that's fine. She ain't going to be able to pull out of this. She shouldn't be able to.
Hi, dude. How you doing?
Here, stand right here for me.
Can you go to power for me?
Stop moving for a sec. Okay, ma'am. All right, you come over here real quick. All right, you will be under arrest for disorderly conduct,
I don't
okay?
give a man. Take me fuck for whatever I do.
Ma'am, please come over here.
I don't give a uncuff these cuffs. They're too uncomfortable. I will fucking break my leg out right here. You don't understand. My arm is too tight. I have a metal arm. You wanna get a lawsuit?
All right, ma'am.
You wanna get a lawsuit?
Have a seat.
You want to get a lawsuit, dude?
Take a seat for me, ma'am.
Uncuff my handcuffs
Take a seat
one
for me,
notch.
please.
One notch.
Take a seat for me, please.
No, I won't.
Force in the car.
Take a seat for
One
me.
notch.
All right, so take a seat for me.
No, I won't. I won't fucking won't.
Ma'am, ma'am.
One
I don't
notch.
wanna
I
do
have
this.
a metal arm. I
Then
have a
take a
metal
seat.
arm.
Okay, this is your last chance. You can take a seat voluntarily, or I'm going to force you.
I what, for a lawsuit? Because I have a metal arm?
You can go outside. I'm just
I
gonna,
have a metal arm?
for waist.
I have a metal arm.
All right, last chance.
I have a metal arm. You want to get a lawsuit, you mother?
You got her?
I have a $3 million lawsuit going against one.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna charge her with obstruction too. Let's see what. Yeah, so she's paid her tab. All I know is she's paid her tab, and they wanted her to leave. I get in there and I'm asking her to step out so we can have a conversation outside rather than inside.
You already talked. I'm gonna at least get the person who calls name and date of birth.
Yeah, the female right there is the one that told me that they wanted her to leave, but I don't know who her hostess was.
Just in here being obnoxious.
Okay, so what happened first was like I heard like yelling and stuff because I mean I think I was on the phone taking an order, and then like she started getting like snappy with everyone because I know it started with a fight with her boyfriend that she came with.
Oh, so he's gone.
And, oh yeah, he's been gone. And when he showed back, she yelled at him again and stuff, and he got out and they were like crazy. She kept screaming, she kept saying shots and all this stuff, being crazy. And I mean, the people on the side right here that come all the time, they're looking at, you're fine. They're looking at me crazy. They're like, whoa, what's going on? And they're like trying to avoid her, trying to talk to me more. And then all of a sudden, I went to go take a to-go order out, and then she, like, I walk in and she had like her shirt off, so, and I was like, whoa. And then yeah, she was just fighting with the manager when we told her to get out. Very crazy.
Awesome. All right, thank you very much.
I got a lot of cash. What the fuck do you want to see?
Ma'am, I can assure you I do not want your money.
I bet you like $30,000 a year. You
Okay.
make more than that online in 5 weeks.
I'm happy for you, ma'am.
I bet you are you.
Sucking. Very appropriate, ma'am.
I don't give a what you shit. What's up now?
Okay, look, so if you have a gun in your car, we don't want to leave it there, someone break in your car,
I
so...
don't give a on car. You want to break into it? Go.
Mind if we go into your car and get that gun out if there's one in there?
I don't have a gun in my car.
Okay, so you want your car to stay here?
I don't give a my car.
Okay,
I don't give a about you either.
okay, we'll just leave your car here then. Alright.
Shit, I would tow it. Since you don't care, let's tow it.
So you're going to be charged with obstruction
Obstruction of what?
of law enforcement officer.
Makeup? You got makeup in your hand.
And you're going to be charged with public indecency for exposing breast.
Misdemeanor.
And then you're going to
gonna have ruined your
charged.
You like your career because it's over.
And you're going to be charged, man, for public intoxication because you're highly intoxicated.
Okay, well he loves some shit like that. So
Who are you talking
we're gonna
about,
fucking
ma'am?
take a shot to your ass.
What are you making threats towards me?
Jeff Sliss, my uncle.
You're talking about taking shots towards my ass. Are you making threats towards me? Because I highly...
Worry about what I'm talking about.
Okay. You don't want that
Keep going
charge.
through my makeup bag, you fucking dumb.
Okay, you don't want that charge, ma'am. Please do not make threats.
I don't have charges on my record.
Well,
Ever.
you do now, ma'am.
I've been in every county there is. I don't have a charge on my record. Jeff Sliss, my uncle.
I don't know who that is.
Have you
Nope.
fucking him?
No, ma'am.
You might want to
Is he a judge for you? An attorney?
make your hands a little more. You hear me? You like I'm
What is your question, ma'am?
you want
Do I want to? No, I'll pass on that, ma'am. That's an
I
inappropriate question to ask.
told you what I say in the beginning. What I say towards the beginning. She trying to get cracked. I told you. As soon as I seen her bend over, I said, wait, hold on. Hold on. She trying to get cracked. Yeah. And then guess what she asked? She asked the officer, do you want to? Woohoo. Yeah. Good job, officer. Way to stand your ground, man. You know, you got some officers who they'll take her up on that offer. You know what I'm saying? But not this guy. This guy is a stand-up guy. Good job.
I highly doubt that. Your career.
My career is over. You just asked me if we were going to, and because I'm telling you no, you're saying my career is over.
I said I could correct your career, but I'm not.
You're not. Oh well, much appreciated, ma'am.
You're welcome. We'll see you later.
How am I see you later?
You'll see you later.
Okay.
Just look him up. My uncle.
Okay. What is he? A judge? An attorney?
He's a lawyer of 30 years and was the best lawyer in the whole state of Georgia.
That's fine. Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
about to show you.
That's real appropriate.
You would.
Ma'am, that's a statement that is not, that's
Irrelevant.
not something that we're going to even go and discuss.
Oh, you can't remember. You don't want to bend me over the back?
No, ma'am, I do not want to bend you over the back. You wish I would do it? Again, that's inappropriate. You can go ahead and step out. Put your shoes back on.
No, I ain't taking shit on.
Here.
No.
Stand out for me. And get your shoes on for me,
No,
please.
I ain't.
Ma'am, please do not make me do this. Please step out of my vehicle.
I'm gonna have you bend me over.
Please step out of my vehicle.
Yeah.
Get your shoes on so you can
Or
walk
what?
inside.
You want to catch me an extra charge that I get it dropped?
You know what? I might just do it. Actually, I may charge you for an additional thing. Put your foot down.
I got 5 felonies that got dropped. So let's do that shit.
Please step out of my vehicle.
No,
Get your
I
shoes
don't have
on.
to step out of shit. I don't have to step out
Ma'am,
of shit.
what are you doing?
Where's
Step out for me, please.
this is my uncle. You want to take my pants off?
No, I want you to just sit like that. Sit up.
You want to take my pants
Ma'am,
off?
come on. Stop. Come on. Up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Up. Sit up.
Not ready. Not ready.
Sit up. Put down. Come on. Quit.
You want to cause a bruise on my arm?
Ma'am, you're resisting. Quit.
Have another lawsuit. Let's do
Ma'am,
this,
come
bitch.
on.
Another lawsuit. Let's do it.
Ma'am.
Another bruise. Let's do a lawsuit. Another lawsuit. Let's do it.
All right. Stand up. Thank you. There you go. You got it. Now put your shoes
That's
on.
a lawsuit on you. So that just caused a lawsuit. That just caused a
Okay.
bruise. Go on to it, motherfucker.
Stop.
You stop. You think I'm stupid? You want to look up Just Liz?
Do not walk
You
up
want
on
to
me.
look? You want
Do
to
not walk up
You
on
want
me. Stop.
to? You want to look?
You just caught yourself a new charge.
I don't give a about any
Stop.
charge because I'll get it dropped, and you
Stop.
will never have a police officer. You
Now
want to be
you're
able
gonna
to
be charged.
put the badge?
Now you're going to be charged
I don't
for
give a
simple
about a charge.
Stop.
You gonna give a charge with
Don't walk up
female?
on me like that.
I don't give a charge.
Stop. Get away up on me. Walk in, ma'am.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest and indecent exposure. Thanks for watching today's video.
Yo, this video was crazy, man. This video is crazy, man. Yeah, she likes it rough. Yeah, she likes the aggression. She want the officer to crack her. Like, this is just insane. Kudos to that brother, man, for staying strong, you know? Cause this is did you see what she was doing did you see what she was doing in the back of the car trying to get up, lifting her leg and everything? Man, take your drunk ass to jail, man. Sit your ass in the cell, man. Come on, man. That's insane. That's insane. You know, her sole objective was to go out to the bar and get cracked by somebody. That's all I'm saying. Because even the people in the bar said, man, you know, yeah, she took off her top, popped her boob out, like, you don't see there's guys in there with their ladies and everything going on. Like, come on, man. Come on. Like, of course, a lady could go out to the bar and probably get a guy to go home with them or whatever the case may be, but that's not the way you go about it. I ain't gonna lie. That is not how you go about it, man. It was so bad that they started clapping when she left, man. So you know it's bad when whatever it is that you got out there on the market, nobody ain't biting. That's how you know it's not you putting it out there on the market and nobody don't want it. That'll tell you right there, man. Golly. Anyways, the officer did a great job, honestly, you know. So he get a 5 from me. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.